A lot of you were asking me how I preserve my Moin Moin. This is it. I just put it in Ziploc bag in the freezer. I just brought it out now. You can see that. Now let me show you how to warm it. Put water in your pot. Put your steaming rack. Put your frozen Moin Moin. Cover and let it steam, just like when you are cooking it. Depending on how frozen it is, it will take like maybe 10-15 minutes to warm up, but it won't change taste. Nothing happens to it. I keep Moin Moin for weeks and it's always fresh when I warm it. Our Moin Moin is ready and warmed. Let me open to show you. Can you see that? And it tastes exactly the same as if you just prepared it.